Discover the Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum with its tri-brush system and smart connectivity. See how it tackles different surfaces and simplifies your cleaning routine. Subscribe for more smart home solutions. The Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum emerges as a smart cleaning solution for the modern home. With its tri-brush system, Wi-Fi connectivity, and compatibility with Alexa, it promises to make floor cleaning effortless and efficient. The Shark AV753's design is both functional and user-friendly. The tri-brush system ensures thorough cleaning by combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on various surfaces. Its compact size allows it to navigate under furniture and around obstacles with ease. Wi-Fi connectivity is a standout feature, allowing users to control the vacuum via the Shark Clean app or voice commands through Alexa. This level of convenience means you can start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions from anywhere, anytime. The Shark AV753 is versatile, performing well on hardwood, tile, and carpeted floors. Its suction power is adequate for picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair, although it may struggle with larger debris. The 120-minute runtime is impressive, covering a significant area on a single charge. User maintenance is straightforward, with easy-to-clean dustbins and filters. However, the vacuum does require regular cleaning to maintain optimal performance, and replacement parts may add to the long-term cost. While the Shark AV753 doesn't boast advanced mapping technology, its sensors prevent it from falling down stairs and help it navigate around furniture. It may occasionally get stuck, but it generally finds its way back to the charging dock without intervention. The vacuum's battery life stands out, with up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. This allows it to handle larger spaces efficiently. The charging process is automatic, as the vacuum returns to its dock when the battery is low. The Shark AV753 ION robot vacuum is a solid choice for those seeking a smart, efficient cleaner. It's particularly suited for homes with a mix of surface types and for pet owners. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, its performance and ease of use offer good value for its price point.